Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to turn on content source on your Rain app. We'll go to figure out this solution on now how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go above this sign here in app, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do, you just click here on settings here. So then you come to this list. Then all you have to do now, you just go down here, so then you click here on neighbor settings. So then you come to this list here, then you just go down, then you click here on neighborhood settings. So then you come to this list here, then all you have to do, so you just click here on post settings here, then you come to this list, you click here on content source here, then you come here to content source, click in this side. Then like you see this color show for us, that's me content source is some on now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.